Uline industrial packing tables are the ideal solution for adding and customizing needed workspace. These durable tables are great for shipping departments and manufacturing facilities, garages, workstations, and assembly areas, and with a wide array of custom accessories, they can serve many needs. Our packing tables are available in a variety of sizes to fit any area. The steel legs are height adjustable from 28 to 35 inches in 1.5-inch increments. Plus, each packing table comes with a 14-inch deep bottom shelf for storage. All tables hold up to 500 pounds. And Uline packing tables are available in an assortment of tops to fit your exact needs. The composite wood top is perfect for general purpose work, while the steel and maple tops are ideal for heavier duty maintenance and provide a perfectly flat workspace. The laminate top has a smooth, easy to clean surface, and the stainless steel top is ideal for labs and food service as it resists corrosion and chemicals. The ESD laminate top has a grounding cord that helps dissipate static buildup, perfect when working on electronic products. Our tabletops come with pre-drilled pilot holes that match up with the pre-assembled legs, following the easy-to-assemble instructions. You can further customize your table with these optional accessories: a top shelf with or without power outlets, a storage cabinet for additional storage, lockable drawers, leg height extenders, a leg outlet, a tabletop power strip, and durable, smooth rolling lockable casters, making your table mobile, and side and back ledges that help prevent products and small parts from falling off. Uline packing tables are in stock and ready for fast delivery from any of our strategic locations in North America. Whatever your shipping needs are, you can rely on Uline to have the solution.